Today we will introduce the WordPress backend. First, we click this pose. This pose is where we post our blog. We click the Add pose. Here it is. We can edit our blog. For example, let's edit it casually. This is the title. This is the description. Then click Save Draft. Here we can save it to a draft first. Then it will not be released for the time being. We can of course also publish directly. Direct point publish. When publishing, it will have some options below here. Let's click on this. It can be published directly to the public. And this basically means that everybody can see it. Then you can also choose private. Private words. That means not everyone can see it. Then here, you can also choose to publish regularly. For example, we choose a future release date. Then you can also choose the time here, morning or afternoon. These can be selected. After choosing the time we want to release regularly, then click this button. And then it was time. It will automatically publish. And we move on. Post here. We can also create categories for our post. Let's choose any one. And here are the names of our categories. And here's the description. Then add a category. Then there are already categories here. Then the next words. We can put our categories. Put it in this place. Convenient for us to manage. Next, we will introduce the media. We're in the media. Can manage images and videos of our entire website. It's the one we uploaded to the website. Pictures and videos will appear here. We can all manage here. For example, let's click any one. We can edit the name of this picture. Description. Why edit this? In fact, it is convenient for Google to recognize our pictures. Otherwise, he doesn't know what this picture is for. Next, we will introduce the page. In Page, we can create all kinds of pages. Like About Us. Those things that can be used in footer. Then we try to create a. Click on the Add page. Add title here, then add here. Describe. Then click Save Draft. Then you can also publish it directly. Publish words. We can choose, everyone can see, or is it just that you can see it? You can also choose when to publish. For example, I don't want to release it until the 14th. You can choose the time here. You can choose between morning and afternoon. Then click Save. And come back here. That page has been published successfully. There is a Contact Us here. It's the page we just created. Next up is comments. After our website goes live, you will get all kinds of comments. Of course, because I don't have it here. That's because my website hasn't been go live yet. After going online, may receive a lot. The kind of comments with spam links. For these comments, we have to delete it in time. Because those comments have a lot of rubbish links. If not deleted in time, it may affect the weight of our website. Because of those links, usually some links that are hit by Google. The next we will introduce are templates. Here at Templates, we can create all kinds of templates. We click on the theme builder to create it directly. We can create a header. You can also create one for footer. There are others. Of course, it was created here. It can be understood as a small template. The template of the whole station. In the appearance theme, not in here. Next we will introduce the appearance. We click Appearance. Then click on Theme. We can choose the theme we want. I'm choosing this theme now. If you want this theme, click directly in, then click Add. It will take effect. Of course, if you don't like this theme, you can also choose from the theme market. Click directly to add theme. Here are a variety of themes for you to choose from. You can choose any one. Let's say you see this. You click to enter, then click Install. Then click Edit. Then your theme becomes this. It will take effect. And then it goes in here. Active means it works. Our appearance here. You can also edit our menus. Create menus here. Click on the Create menu. I created a menu. Next, we introduce the plugins. We click on the plugins. Various plugins can be added here. We click the App plugin. Then you can search for what you want here. For example, I want to install this. Then click Install Now. Then click Active. And then we come back here. What was just installed is already here. And of course, if we don't want it, click this. Then click Delete. It's gone. Next, we will introduce users. Here we can add users. We add one. Here you have to choose his name and email address. And here's the password. Remember here that has to choose a permission. For example, is it an administrator or a subscriber or an author? You can choose here. Then click Add Users. Then the one just added has already appeared. Next, introduce the settings. Click on Settings. Then we can see the site title. Here we can set the title of the website. You can also upload the icon of the website. Here you can set the language of the entire website. For example, we set English here. It is English. Then you can set the other language. You can set the time of the website here. The time you set here. Later. The data update. It will be based on this time. For example, the time of your order. And then here are some more settings. We click this. Permalinks. Then a lot of new websites. It could be the day and night name. Then we set this place to the post name uniformly. After setting it up like this, when we pose in the future, our URL, it will name your URL with the post title.